Hello, welcome to How to Wrap Your Hands for Muay Thai. My name is Chuck. Channel is Sound Survival Tactics. This is a wrapping that we use at the Seattle CRT school when we're training for Muay Thai. We do a lot of touch drills and a lot of pad work. We don't wrap our hands up to put boxing gloves on them. So there are a bunch of different ways that you can wrap your hands. This is the one that we use in our school. This is one of the more popular ways that we wrap our hands at the school. As you can see, I've got some Title boxing wraps here. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go pick some up. They're fairly inexpensive. Starting with the wrapping now, probably the most important part is there's this wording here, this side down. It's going to be on one side of the wrap. And this is going to be important because at the end, when you get to the end of your wrap, if you don't have that side down, the Velcro won't line up and it won't stick. So first thing is you've got this little loop, and this is where your thumb's going to go through. So you put this over your thumb. Again, this side down. There's the wording. It's going to go across the back of your hand, and we're going to go over the wrist 3 times to start. You don't want to do it too tight to start. We are going for wrist support mainly. However, we do want to have a little bit of circulation in our hands, right? Don't want to cut off the blood flow. So nice and snug around the wrist 3 times. And 3. Next, we're going to go over the thumb. This is optional. You can go from the wrist up to the knuckles if you like. We just like to go around the thumb a couple times for extra support. So under the wrist, over the thumb, under, back across the back of the hand, over the wrist again. One more time for the thumb, over, under, back, over the wrist, under, and now we're going to go up to the knuckles. We're going to go up here, under your palm, and now we're going to go over the knuckles 3 times. Making sure that you keep your fingers spread, because if you go over your knuckles with your fingers together, you're going to wind up squeezing your joints together here, and that's going to hurt really bad. And it'd be bad for your joints and your fingers. So we don't want to do that. Keep your fingers open when you're going over your knuckles. So 1, 2, and 3 times over the knuckles. All right. And from here, we can go back down under to the wrist. So now we're going to go up through the fingers here, under the inside of the palm, back of the hand, back down to the wrist. Okay. Once you go back down to the wrist, under, you're going to go up to the next set of fingers, across the inside of the palm, back of the hand, down to the wrist. Just should see the pattern starting to unfold here. Under the wrist, up to the last set of fingers there. Okay, across the inside, back down to the wrist. All right, back down to the wrist. And now you are pretty much done. So you have this excess here that you can use up however you like. If you like to go maybe over the knuckles one more time, do that. Come back down, and the rest can be burnt at the wrist. And this is where you can get tight on the wrist. You really want to have that support there, so when you're punching, doing your pad work, hitting the bag, you don't have a lot of bend in your wrist here. Okay, it's going to keep it nice and straight there when you're punching. So this is where you can get tight. And if we've done it right, you'll see this Velcro here will line up, and we'll have it nice and tight. And voila, just like that. And that's how you wrap your hands for Muay Thai. All right. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Go ahead and share it out. If you'd like to see future videos, consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button, and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. Take care, train hard, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.